Menzies Aviation has set a number of key sustainability goals. Some of the most important targets that we've set include reaching net zero by 2045. One of the ways we're going to achieve our net zero targets is through reducing the emissions created from our ground support equipment. So moving from diesel and transforming our fleet to be electric.
A key pillar of the All-In is diversity as people and how we develop, how we treat, how we train these people are fundamental to our success. Diversity has to be at the heart of that.
Collaboration with airports and airlines and actually all our stakeholders is absolutely vital, and actually everything we do in terms of reducing our own impacts and emissions benefits our customers.